This is the Weathertech low profile hood protector, and it is available for all 2021 and newer Ford F-150s, excluding the Raptor and Tremors. Now, you should be checking out the Weathertech for your rig if you'd like to go with a premium option that will deliver a very low profile fit to help protect that leading edge of your factory hood, all backed by a lifetime warranty. Now, the Weathertech will feature a smoked acrylic build and will be a simple peel and stick install for just north of $100. So the big features here with the Weathertech will be the leading edge hood protection, along with the very sleek design and one that has been custom tailored to fit your 2021 and newer F-150 perfectly. Now, when it comes to protection, the goal here is obviously to protect your hood from things like those pesky rock chips or bug hits, but due to the design here of the Weathertech, it should also help push these hazards up and over the windshield, again thanks to the aerodynamic kind of kick up. Now, when it comes to fitment, I can honestly say that the Weathertech here might just be one of the better fitting options in the category. And for owners who are concerned about putting something like this on the front of their truck from an appearance standpoint, you shouldn't be, because this thing really does hug the factory hood perfectly. Switching gears, let's get into the construction, and the Weathertech is going to pack that made in the USA durable smoked acrylic build here that has been given that very dark finish, right? And that's something that will obviously flow very well with black trucks out there. But even if you have a different lighter color F-150, you're getting a subtle amount of contrast that doesn't really look out of place, again, thanks to that quality fitment. Now, in addition to that, you do get the Weathertech badge, which is removable. So if you wanted to keep things even more low profile, all you got to do is peel that bad boy off. Now, this thing does come pre-installed with your 3M grade adhesive here on the back. So it is a simple peel and stick job, as we'll show you shortly. And finally, the Weathertech is backed by a limited lifetime warranty in case you ever run into any issues. Now, despite that bigger Weathertech name, the corresponding lifetime warranty, awesome fitment, the low profile option from Weathertech will actually be one of your more affordable choices here in the category, right around $100, give or take a little bit, which does make this slightly more affordable when compared to options from AVS and Aeroskin. All right, moving into the install, and the site's gonna correctly call this a pretty soft 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and at least 10 minutes to complete from start to finish. Now, this is a 100% peel and stick job, guys, so you're just gonna wanna make sure your prep is on point, clean the area thoroughly with the alcohol prep pads, and you should be good to go. But now, to give you a better idea of how this one might go down in the garage or driveway, let's throw it out to the shop for our detailed walkthrough.
What's up, guys? Today we're going to be doing a hood deflector on our F-150. There are no tools required for this job, so let's get started. All right, so what we're going to do first is grab our hood deflector, and we're going to come to the back side where we have our adhesive strips. These do have covers on them. What we want to do is peel back sections of each strip so we can access them as we put it in place. We don't want to peel them all off at once. Want to be able to move it around if we need to. So what we're going to do is take the corners of each one, peel back a couple inches, and fold them to the outside, whether that be top or bottom, and then we'll be able to stick it in place and pull back the rest of those covers when we have it set. I'm going to peel this back. Again, a few inches is fine. You just want to fold that like so. That way you can access that, and then you want to do that for each strip on each corner. Now we're going to line our deflector up flush with the edge of our hood. You can use the body lines to get it started. You want to make sure you're flush with your body lines. Now, once you get this loosely in place, we're going to start peeling off the rest of our adhesive strips. So you can grab them by those tails, pop those off. Once you have all of these peeled off, you just want to firmly press around your deflector. You're good to go. Alrighty folks, that about wraps up our review and install of our WeatherTech low profile hood protector in dark smoke finish for your 21 to current F-150 excluding the Raptor and Tremor. Thanks for watching, and as always, for everything F-150, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.